Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 15 of 2020. And I'm really excited about the first one that I want to share with you. I actually even did over on Facebook in my VIP group. It's called Thoughts on Beauty. So if you just go to Facebook and search Thoughts on Beauty, you can find the group and join there if you haven't already. The day that this shipment arrived, I pulled these out and did like my first look at them live in my Facebook group, and everybody was really excited about these. I've really been enjoying wearing these the last about a week or so since I got them, but they are called birthday balms, and they are a lip crayon, which we haven't had a lip crayon in a little while, but these are a nice lightweight moisturizing like lip balm with some color and some tint to it. But the cool thing is they are all basically your perfect nude shade. So we have 6 shades, and they go kind of from light to dark, but they're all nude shades. So this is Love and Life is the first shade, and I'll swatch all of these on the back of my hand so you can see them. This one actually does not show up super well on my hand because it is a very nice, oh, actually that did show it pretty good. Yeah, it's got a nice kind of bare pink, like a ballet pink shade, and these have got a shine to them, and like I said, they feel very kind of buttery, moisturizing, but they're not sticky, they're not uncomfortable at all. They feel really good on the lips. This one is Birthday Suit. And some of them have kind of cute names, so Birthday Suit. And you see it's got that kind of angled tip, and it's a twist up. So they just twist up. Whoops, I got the cap on kind of tight on this one. That was something we noticed on when I was doing the first look video, is the caps are kind of tight. So it does twist up as you go. And this is the Birthday Suit. Again, nice, and the great thing about these is I think the only one I haven't tried yet, I haven't tried Birthday Post, and you'll see that one coming up. But they look really good. Some of them look more nude than others, but they've all got a really nice color to them. Really pretty, universally flattering shades. I really like these. This one is PYT. Which, of course, PYT is a nice little throwback for those of us who grew up in the 80s and 90s there. And that's a little bit more of a brownish nude, and more of and so like the first two, the Love and Life and Birthday Suit, are more for fair to light. This one, PYT and Surprise, which is the one that I have on, are more medium shades. And you can really tell I've been wearing this one because this one's got a little bit more of a swoop to it. This is absolutely my favorite. Let's see, I'll actually turn that over a little bit there. You see that's a nice mauve-y nude, and that's actually the color that I'm wearing today. Been wearing this one a bit over the last week. This one is this is Birthday Post, like a social media post for birthdays, because those are a big thing now. This is the only one I haven't worn yet. But I do still really love this color, and it looks like a very dark brown in the tube. It's kind of it's a cool brown, so it's got a little bit of a pinky undertone to it. Really nice, again, still like a nice nude. But yeah, that's the only one I hadn't got around to wearing yet. And over the next couple of days, it'll actually probably go up before this video goes up. I will probably be, we'll also be doing like a no makeup look, and featuring the birthday balms, just because they lend themselves so well to that. And this is the Fine Wine. I think this is my second favorite. I really like the way this shade looks on. Just gives a nice, really rich red to the lips without being like a very bold red. It's a very neutral, very nude red for the lips. Like I said, these very, very nice moisturizing feel to them. They go on super easy. You don't even have to be looking. So they've got a nice point to them. So when you're first putting it on and you want to make sure you get like the Cupid's bow and get a nice clean application. They go on really, really nice. Non-GMO shea butter, that's where it gets kind of the moisturizing feel to it. No mineral oils, and free from parabens, phthalates, and it's gluten-free, which is really great for anyone who really has to avoid gluten for medical reasons. That it's almost like an allergy to gluten. It's not exactly, but they have to avoid gluten also in cosmetics and things that they put on their body that might absorb. So having these be gluten-free, I know those are kind of hard to find in your makeup and cosmetics. So that's the birthday balms. That's the whole set, the 6 of them. Again, like really was excited to get those, and I'm really enjoying wearing those. I think those will really be kind of a summer staple. They're a really nice light sheer. They do look, I noticed in the brochure here, the picture, they look pretty opaque here. They are actually all very sheer colors, but they've got a lot of color to them. So really, again, perfect for a no makeup or a nude makeup look. So we do have a couple of new jewelry collections. So I have a few pieces from the Seashell Splendor collection, which has got it's actually our naturally chic collection, but it's got kind of a seashell aesthetic to it. So we have, I have the bracelet, and it's all 4 bracelets in the set, and I like how they're kind of, they don't all match. They're all, different styles, so you can kind of mix and match those up and have a fun little like stacked bracelet look. This was a different bracelet from another collection, but it's the same type of look, and they're not too matchy-matchy. It doesn't look like a matched set, but they all are very well coordinated there. Love that set. We have the Naturally Chic collection ring. It didn't have I was looking for like what we're calling the stone in that one, and it's kind of it's a pink marbled, just an oval stone with this nice fun open work setting on the side there in a gold tone. So really pretty ring there. Nice. It's kind of a cocktail ring. A little bit more delicate than a really bold cocktail ring. So it would be like a kind of a subtle cocktail ring, but would also be great as an everyday piece. And we have the chandelier earrings, which I think this is my favorite piece from the collection. And just really pretty. Almost have kind of like a bohemian style to them with the shape of the chandelier there, and just the really pretty colors. You get all different shades of pink in the beads, and then a couple of the gold tone beads in the setting. Just really pretty earrings, and just for scale, you can see there. They'd be a pretty good length there too for the chandelier earrings. And last but not least, the strap watch. And this is, it just coordinates well with the collection in a nice tan band. Really easy to read face, lots of good contrast on the face there, with the Roman numerals standing out against the white background. Because I know that's, if you're still wearing a watch to tell time, you want it to be easy to read. Another new addition we have that I was really excited to see coming, and I'm pretty sure this is what I teased in my Campaign 13 video, is our new Hexa Shield collection. So basically, it's everything you need for your medicine cabinet. It's all of your creams that you need, your first aid essentials. So they have the arthritis pain relief cream, which I did pick this up. I don't actually have arthritis, but I do get muscle aches and things, and I do have occasional bouts of tendonitis, and so an arthritis pain cream usually really helps with that. And this one is odor-free, which was why I wanted to try this before I even tried we also have a muscle ache cream as well, and it really is odor-free. Don't smell the odor at all. And the main ingredient in it, of course, is the capsaicin. But it doesn't have that really super burny feeling to it. When you put it on, like it doesn't, you don't feel the heat. You just feel the pain kind of ease away there. So deep penetrating, odor-free, arthritis pain relief cream, topical analgesic. And of course, we'll have all of the details on the ingredients and everything available for any of those. I also picked up the triple antibiotic ointment with pain relief. This will be nice because it's something I use pretty regularly if you have any type of that you want to prevent the infection and relieve pain in your minor cuts and scrapes and burns and things like that. This is a good one to have. So this would be like the same type of ingredients to compare to like Neosporin, but this is would be like Neosporin Plus because it's got the pain relief as well, which comes in real handy. The collection also has, let's make sure I don't miss any. We have an anti-fungal, anti-itch athlete's foot cream. We have the quick congestion relief nasal relief spray, which compares to like Afrin nasal spray. And the back and joint pain relief for muscle, back, and joint, and an anti-itch cream with healing aloe. So we've got a lot of those first aid cream basics available there. Another whole new line that we've introduced is the Hello Baby Shark. It's our it's Babience Kids and Perio Kids. So it's like personal care and dental care and that for the kids. And the one thing I picked up, because, of course, we have a lot of great sunscreens for the face, but we don't really have a good sunscreen for the body. So I picked up the kids' sunscreen in an SPF 50 because, of course, here in the desert Southwest, you got to make sure you've got some good sunscreen on whenever you go out. So it's nice to be able to get this from myself instead of from the drugstore. And it is a broad spectrum SPF 50. It doesn't have a real strong smell. It's got, a little bit of a sunscreeny smell, but when I use it, I don't really notice it like after I first put it on. So it's not like a lingering smell. So you're not going about your day, going into the office smelling like you've been out on the beach. So really, really liking that. And it is a nice, lotion formula blend, absorbs really well and doesn't leave you feeling super greasy, which is nice in a sunscreen. So like I said, if I'm using sunscreen for like a daily wear, I'm not looking for something that makes me feel like I'm out at the beach or at the pool. So we have some new additions to our Veilment bath line, our body wash, and we now have a body essence, so a moisturizer as well. We do have the new Natural Spa Bamboo Charcoal that we added, but I picked up the Veilment Natural Spa Dead Sea Mud Body Scrub and Cleanser. It does have a bit of a muddy look to it, but not really a muddy feel. It feels very creamy when you use it, and it has a very fine exfoliant. It's got a little bit of grit to it, so you can feel it, really feel it scrubbing and smoothing the skin, but it's not a heavy, rough grit, and it's not like there's not a lot of grit in it. It's a very, very soft, gentle. It's got a nice jasmine scent, which was really pleasant, and it just feels really good. It's nice, really, really creamy, leaves the skin feeling nice and smooth and soft, which is what you want. And then to go along with our Black Rose Body Scrub and Cleanser that we now have the Black Rose in the Body Essence. And this is a very, very lightweight body moisturizer. It's even lighter than a lotion. And it's got a really, really beautiful fragrance to it, the French Rose. And it just really is a nice, quick, it's good for summer when you don't want something really, really heavy, but you do still need a little bit of extra moisture. And it pairs really well with the matching scent in the Body Scrub and Cleanser, which really leaves your skin feeling very soft, and this just adds that little bit of extra moisture that you might need. Let's see, and that was all from the regular book. I did want to share from our sale flyer. Again, you can always find these, youravon.com/carnold. You can find the sale flyers if you click on digital catalog and then online brochure. You can find the flyers there, or you can just kind of search for different categories of products and see if there are any bundle offers available. But we have quite a few offers this campaign involving, it's a bundle with our sheet masks, and I thought a great combination or a great deal was our calming sheet mask and our Anew Hydra Fusion Daily Beauty Defense SPF 50 for the face. So this is a nice, cool, kind of a very summery bundle, and it's only $17.99, which would be the same as getting the sunscreen by itself. So it's a really, really good deal. You get that bonus of the face mask there. So let's see, that is everything I have for you product-wise this campaign. Remember, we do have each campaign over on my Facebook page, so facebook.com/ChrisArnoldAvon. We have every other Monday we do a drawing for a surprise gift, and anyone who has an order of $25 or more, either my local customers or anyone that's ordered through my online store, gets entered in that drawing there, and I give away a little surprise bundle of products each campaign. So hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful week. Definitely stop by your avon.com/carnold and check out the new digital catalog. It's really kind of a fun new way to check out the new and exciting products that we have. And there's some really fun tools that you can try on some of the makeup virtually right from your phone or webcam. So hope you're all having a great day, and I'll see you all again in a couple of weeks.